Hey, I'm Jeremy.
Hey, I'm Mark.
And we're the Yukon boys, or half of the Yukon boys, and we're in Florida fishing.
Hey.
It's going to be a good time. Today, we are in a little bay bait fishing, and we're hoping to get some small fish to use to catch big fish. So here we go. Let the adventure begin.
Yeah.
Fish on, bobbers down.
Fish on.
Fish on? Okay. Is he on?
Oh, yeah.
Still on?
Yeah, he's on. He's a minnow, though.
You think he's just little?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, don't go too quick. Okay, hold on. He's not a minnow. He's definitely not a minnow. Do you see him there?
Oh, yeah. I see shining.
You see shining.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, hold on.
He's like kind of purple, a little bit of silver.
I don't know. We'll have to look it up to see what he is.
Whatever he is, he's yellow and he looks really cool.
He looks so cool, buddy.
We know there's fish in here.
Show the camera. Check it out.
Wow.
He's so their spines are, there you go.
Scary.
Look at the camera. Woohoo! Okay.
Tires.
Good job, bud. Amazing. So, with one hand, you just pinch that hook. Now wiggle. Yeah, there you go.
We got a fish.
You got a fish.
We got a fish. Oh, that's another thing. Okay. Such a cool fish.
He is a cool fish. Dude, woohoo! That was a great one.
That's definitely not a minnow.
You just gotta figure out what kind of fish it is.
Yeah. Got a little fish.
Got a little fish.
It's supposed to be called a spot.
Yeah, it's a spot because it has that spot. And there's no size limit. There's no limit count. And you can use them for bait in Florida. So that's what I'm hoping to do to catch a big fish.
So there's spines up here. Watch out, very pokey.
Very pokey.
There's spines down here. There's only 3 down here.
Only 3.
And I think there's a couple on its fins.
Well, I think he wants back in the water. There you go, buddy. All right, Mark, what are you doing there? You baiting a hook?
Baiting a hook. I know it's a little gruesome that I'm literally pitting a worm on a hook. Don't judge me.
You're doing a good job.
Thanks. I'm pitting it on the hook as many times as I can.
As long as you don't put your finger on there, we're good. Cast it out there for us. Try not to catch the tree. That's the goal. Or catch me. Good enough.
A few moments later.
So, there was this huge bird. It is absolutely giant. It's right over there. It's a giant. It's as big as me. I don't really know what it is.
It's a heron, I think.
A heron? We'll see how close I can get to it.
I wouldn't go too close.
I guess, yes, I can get eaten. That is very big. So, it's back. We caught one fish. And I think it wants it.
It sure does.
See? It's staring at you. I want a fish.
Just keep an eye on
Want
it.
to scare it?
It's getting closer. Come on.
That's a good idea. Okay, see ya. Oh, yeah.
All right, Marky's hooked up again. What do we got this time? Oh no! He got off. Sad tail. I saw a little bite. I saw the line pull out. So see where the line goes into the water? The line was getting tight. But then there it is. See, look. Oh, see? That was a pull, right?
That was a pull. I think there's
Get it. Is he on?
Fish on. Fish on. Pulling pretty hard.
Okay. Oh, I think it's another spot. Yeah, it's another spot. Woohoo! Good job, buddy. So we're gonna get the hook. See where the curve is? There it is. Way to go.
Is it a bird? I don't know.
I hope you didn't catch a bird. It's a fish though?
Oh, it's fish. I saw a little shiny bit. It's
Awesome.
another dot.
Another spot.
Let's go.
Sweet, let's go, buddy. We should have been doing that process at the beginning.
Thank you. Oh man. Right when we're figuring out the situation for these two fish, we catch another fish.
Yeah.
We're gonna need a bigger bucket. Yeah.
Can you get some water?
Water.
Part of catching fish. This is like a bait fishing rig, which ideally is really awesome until you get a fish on the line and then it's winding itself all around and then you're trying to get the fish off and then it ends up in a mess. So gotta get this off now. So we're in this little bit of a bay here. We were fishing over on that side. Then we saw some fish jumping here and came over to this side. We're discovering that there's a certain type of fish here called a spot. We looked it up on a little fish identification chart and I looked it up online too, and there's no limit, no bag limit, no size, and they can be used for bait for bigger fish. At first we were using a bobber and this bait rig here. See, it's got a bunch of different little hooks specifically for bait fish, and it wasn't working. And then we learned if we took the bobber off and we just laid out the hooks, the bait rig right across the bottom, then it was working. And so it's been going really great. Mark's actually caught 3 of them. What do you think?
Well, you were the one that saw it get catched. I was the one who reeled it.
Reeling it in's the work.
So, we are at the jungle in Florida. That's my dad, Jeremy from the Yukon Boys. I am Mark from the Yukon Boys. Today, we're looking at a jungle. It's kind of crazy. There's some minnows in there. I don't know if you can see them, but if you look hard enough, I bet in this video, you should be able to spot a minnow. I see one. But right now, we're looking in the jungle. So, it's not really a jungle. It's definitely not a jungle. It's more like a fishing spot with a lot of trees. Over here, this is like the deepest part. There's some pretty cool flowers. One fell off. It's right over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Go over here, go over there. Watch out for snakes. There's another golf ball right there. I already found 3. Putting them in a bucket. Now we're back. It's got a bite.
But then nothing, so. Is it on?
Yep.
Is it a good one? Another spot?
I think it's a spot. It's kind of like the first one. Oh yeah, it's a spot.
All right, let's back over here. Yeehaw!
Not a spot.
All right, you want to put the rod in the rod holder?
Sorry,
And
buddy.
then we'll get the, here, let me get some more line. Boom!
3 golf balls and 4.
And
Fish.
he didn't take the bait. I kept
Really?
the bait, yeah.
You kept the bait.
I kept
Okay,
the
we
bait.
need 1 more fish and then we have 5 spots. And then we're going home.
Okay, 5 spots, we're going home. 5 spots. We have 4. We're gonna have 5.
I bet.
Once we have 5, then we're calling it quits. This is the hardest part when you're catching fish, and you kind of need to go home because you're hungry. You're ready for lunch.
But you just need to catch another one.
Just one more. Just one more. Just one more. We'll see what happens.
We have some spots, 4, and I got some golf balls. I don't know why, I just found them in the woods.
Golf balls may be terrifying them.
It's kind of cool, you can see them move.
Maybe they're playing with them.
There was a spot. That's how you know that it's a spot. And we just got a spot.
I think I got a fish.
This
I
is
finally got one too. I got number 5, I think. Am I gonna lose it? Will Dad lose his fish? Woo! He's pulling good. I like it.
Is it spot? If it's not spot.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, it's spot.
It's a spot.
It has a spot.
Here, wait. Let's take them off. Here.
There is a spot.
Get the hook out.
You caught it, you reeled it in, and you put it in the bucket. It's your fish, Dad.
Boom.
I am very happy that you caught a fish.
I'm happy that I got a fish too. But now here's the problem, Mark. The problem with fishing is when you still have one little bit of worm left.
Okay, let's do it.
Maybe
If we catch that other monster.
that other monster of a spot. All right. Here
Here we go.
All right, you're hooked up, bud. Okay, reel in a bit and then set the hook. You got him? Oh no!
There's the worm.
Ran out of worms, so we're gonna go home and have some lunch, have a sandwich. But it has been a good time bait fishing. We have 5 spot, which can be used for bait, and maybe I'm gonna catch a shark or a big fish, which would be awesome. Don't know what I'll catch, but I'm gonna try on the ocean, so that'll be great. Some surf fishing, stay tuned for that. There's only one thing left to say.
Like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Like, subscribe, hit that bell, follow the Yukon boys for more adventures.
Yep.
See you next time.
Do it again.